Looking for the best free AI apps for your Android phone? Here are 5 standout AI apps in 2026 that can help with productivity, creativity, learning, and everyday tasks without costing you a thing. Coming in at number 1 is ChatGPT. It has a 4.5-star rating, over 48 million reviews, and more than 1 billion downloads. And there's a good reason for that. Think of it as an AI assistant that's always ready to help. Need to write an email, finish homework, plan a trip, or come up with fresh content ideas? Just type your question and get an answer in seconds. But it doesn't stop there. You can chat with it using your voice, upload photos to identify objects, or pull text from images, and even generate unique AI artwork from a simple description. Whether you're studying, running a business, creating content, or just trying to save time, ChatGPT can help make everyday tasks faster and easier. It's simple to use, keeps your conversations synced across your devices, and keeps getting smarter with new features. If you haven't tried it yet, it's easy to see why so many people have. Number 2, we have Google Gemini, earning an impressive 4.4-star rating with over 37 million reviews and more than 1 billion downloads. Gemini is much more than a chatbot. It's like having a powerful AI assistant right in your pocket. You can ask questions naturally, brainstorm ideas in real time, or even share your screen and camera to get help based on what you're looking at. Need to summarize a long PDF, analyze a spreadsheet, or understand a video? Just upload it, and Gemini can break it down into simple, useful insights. It also connects with apps like Gmail, Calendar, Google Photos, YouTube, and Google Search, making everyday tasks faster and more organized. Feeling creative? Gemini can help generate and edit images, build simple web projects, create study materials, and even turn your notes into podcast-style audio you can listen to on the go. With billions of installs worldwide, it's easy to see why so many people rely on Gemini for productivity, learning, and creativity every day. Coming in at number 3 is Microsoft Copilot. With a 4.5-star rating, 2 million reviews, and over 50 million downloads, it's one of the most trusted AI apps available today. Think of it as an all-in-one AI assistant. It can write emails, summarize long documents, generate fresh ideas, translate languages, and even build travel plans or grocery lists in seconds. But that's not all. Just type a prompt and Copilot can create stunning AI images for social media, presentations, or creative projects. You can also upload photos and let its AI explain what you're looking at using its powerful vision feature. If you're a student, you'll love the built-in quizzes, flashcards, and study tools. If you're working, it helps you create reports, presentations, and professional documents much faster. And when you don't feel like typing, just use voice chat and talk to Copilot naturally. It's quick, easy, and surprisingly accurate. No wonder millions of people use it every day to save time and boost productivity. The number 4, it's Perplexity, one of the smartest free AI apps you can download in 2026. With an impressive 4.5-star rating, over 1 million reviews, and more than 100 million downloads, it's quickly becoming a favorite for students, professionals, and everyday users. Instead of showing you dozens of links, Perplexity delivers clear, up-to-date answers backed by cited sources, so you can quickly verify the information yourself. Need to research a topic? Its Pro Search helps you dive deeper with guided AI-powered exploration. You can also ask follow-up questions naturally, making every conversation more detailed without starting over. Whether you prefer typing or speaking, the built-in voice feature gives you fast, accurate responses on the go. Another standout feature is the Discover feed, where you can explore interesting topics shared by the community, while your personal library keeps your searches and discoveries organized across all your devices. If you want an AI assistant that saves time, explains complex topics clearly, and shows where its information comes from, Perplexity is absolutely worth trying. Follow for the next app in our top 5 free AI apps for Android you need in 2026. Lastly, number 5, we have DeepSeek AI Assistant. Don't let its ranking fool you. This AI packs a lot of power into a free app. It has already crossed 50 million downloads, collected nearly 295,000 reviews, and holds a solid 4.3 star rating, which shows plenty of users keep coming back. Here's where it shines. Need to write a message? It can help. Stuck on homework? It explains concepts in simple language. Working with code? It can generate and improve it. Trying to summarize a long article? It does that in seconds. The app is designed to give quick responses without making the experience feel complicated. Everything is clean, easy to navigate, and beginner-friendly. What really makes DeepSeek worth trying is its versatility. Instead of downloading separate apps for writing, studying, or brainstorming, you can do all of that in one place. If you're searching for a free AI assistant that handles everyday tasks without the premium price tag, DeepSeek is definitely worth checking out. And trust me, the apps ranked above this one bring even more impressive features, so don't scroll away yet. Which AI app is your favorite? Share your pick in the comments, hit like if you found this helpful, and follow for more top Android app recommendations.